So if you didn't know yet, starting February 2023, YouTube ended the YouTube Shorts Fund. Welcome back to another video. My name is Mario So, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button for similar videos from me. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back to another video. So the YouTube Shorts Fund ended and is being replaced now by YouTube Shorts ad revenue sharing. And it can get a little bit confusing understanding how this revenue sharing is going to work. YouTube says that with this new program, YouTube creators can make more than with the YouTube Shorts Fund. But making more in this program isn't exactly a walk in the park.
It's gonna be a walk in the park.
So stay watching on this video. Let me explain what this all means. And I'll be talking about how much money I made on YouTube Shorts. So in order for you to enter this new program, you have to be a YouTube partner. So you have to be in the YPP. There are two ways to get into that. I won't go into that into this video, but if you want to find out more, I talk about how you can get into the YPP via YouTube Shorts in this video up here. So once you're in the YouTube partner program, the way that revenue works for Shorts is the following. So revenue from ads appearing in between shorts, they make it to a big pool of money. From this pool, a percentage goes to the creator pool and another percentage goes to pay for music licensing. If your video uses no copyrighted music, then all of the revenue that you get from that goes to that creator pool. And if it does use some music licensing, that some of that money is going to go into the music fund. So if there's one track that you use, there's a 50-50 split. And if you use two tracks, for example, it's a third of the split. After that, creators will get their share of revenue based on their share of the total number of views in the Shorts feed. So out of all the views by monetizing creators, you get a percentage from the revenue in the creator pool, even if you did not use any copyrighted music. From there, there is a Shorts revenue share where creators get to keep 45% of that revenue and YouTube keeps the remainder 55%. So let's say if you are allocated $100 from the larger creator pool, you get to take home $45. This is YouTube's way of rewarding Shorts creators, which unlike long form videos, you cannot necessarily place a video in your short because your short is too short.
Seems pretty short, don't you think so, my dear?
So they have to add ads in between shorts. So that way you'll still get rewarded even if your short is not placed next to an ad. So in my opinion, you are not necessarily going to get rich posting YouTube Shorts, but it is a great strategy to get more organic reach because YouTube is actively promoting YouTube Shorts right now. So to give you an idea, let me go over how much money I made on YouTube Shorts in February and what my RPM or my cost per 1,000 views was. My RPM in February was actually 0.04. So it was 4 cents per every 1,000 views. After getting 32,000 views from the YouTube Shorts feed from all my shorts in the month of February, my grand paycheck is $1.19. And I guess because I'm in Canada and this is in US, I guess I get a cup of coffee, a large one, but not yet a cappuccino or some of those specialty drinks, unfortunately, maybe next month. In comparison, my RPM for long form videos is $3.41. And this is a 8,425% increase from that of my shorts. So what does that tell you, or what does that tell me, is that my strategy moving forward is still to focus on long form video to bring in that ad revenue, but on YouTube Shorts to bring in some potential subscribers and potential viewers to my long form videos. In my opinion, you should not rely on YouTube Shorts if you are planning to make money based on ad revenue. But if you're getting tens of millions of views on every short, then obviously your numbers are going to change. But for the vast majority, YouTube Shorts is not going to pay you the same way long form video does, and a mix of both type of content on your YouTube channel would be the strategy that I would go for. Also, another note, there is a big channel with 2.37 million subscribers, Think Media. They got about 168,000 views from their YouTube Shorts in a month, and their grand paycheck was $8.49. Just to give you an idea. Let's keep in mind as well that this is a brand new program and YouTube is still figuring out many things on how this is all going to work. They'll probably continue to tweak things as they go along, and as more creators jump into YouTube Shorts, they'll probably make some changes along the way. But for now, this is what my revenue is looking like making YouTube Shorts and how this YouTube Short ad revenue sharing program sort of works. Even though it's just a little bit of money, at least I'm making money posting YouTube Shorts, even though it's just a little bit, unlike some other social media platforms, which I am not going to directly mention in this video. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope that you got some value out of it. You learned something new. If you did, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.